Question 6. Two functions are defined by this and this. Solve the equation f inverse x equals to g inverse x. Okay, so first let's find what is f inverse x. Okay. To find this function, the first step is always letting the question equals to y. So if f inverse x equals to y, f inverse we bring there becomes fy. So fy will equal to x. So if fx is 4x minus 17, fy will be 4y minus 17. Then we want to find f inverse x, therefore we need to find y. So we need to make this y the subject. So it will be x plus 17 divided by 4. So f inverse x is x plus 17 over 4. Okay. Then we find g inverse x. So same thing, let g inverse x equals to y, gy equals to x. So if gx is 2x minus 7, gy would be 2y minus 7. 5 over 2y minus 7. Now we need to make y the subject, so we swap places. 5 over x is 2y minus 7. Then we make y the subject. So 7 we bring over that side. 5 over x minus 7, plus 7. And then if you want to make y the subject, the 2 you bring there will become divide 2. Okay, let's just write it. 5 over x plus 7 divide by 2. Okay, how to divide this by 2? This will become 5 over 2x plus 7 over 2. If you want to make it into one simple fraction, we times x both sides. So this will then become 5 plus 7x over 2x. Okay, done. Now we have to solve this. Okay, so let's take this, we need this. And then we take this is g inverse x. Then the rest we can delete. Okay, so if f inverse x equals to g inverse x, therefore x plus 17 over 4 will equal to 5 plus 7x over 2x. So when you get fractions like this, you just have to cross multiply. So 2x multiplied by x plus 17 equals to 4 times 5 plus 7x. 2x square, 17 times 2 is 34x. 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 7, 28x. So now this looks like a quadratic because we have x square and x and a number. So let's bring all to one side. Two x square, 34 minus 28 is 6x, minus 20 is 0. Okay, once you reach this stage already, you have to simplify first before factorizing. So 2, 6 and 20 can be divided by 2. So you get x squared plus 3x minus 10. From here we can factorize. Okay, so x squared plus 3x minus 10 is 0. We can factorize it. You can use your calculator. Okay, so in this case you press mode, your calculator will be a bit different. 1, 3, negative 10. So x is negative 5 and x is also 2. So here you put it into the bracket, you have to change the symbol. This will become x minus 2. So these are our values of x. You will get two different values. Okay, because this is a quadratic expression. That's it.